the power of affirmations. Today we're diving into the transformative power of affirmations. These are not just words. They are powerful statements that can reprogram your subconscious mind and attract positivity into your life. But how do they actually work? Let me explain. Affirmations work by aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the outcomes you desire. When you repeat affirmations consistently, you're essentially rewiring your brain to focus on positivity and abundance. Let me share a quick story. A few years ago, I faced a major challenge. I felt stuck and uncertain about my future. That's when I discovered affirmations. By repeating positive statements daily, I not only overcame my struggles but also achieved goals I never thought possible. That's the power of affirmations in action. Unlocking financial abundance. Let's start with financial abundance. Here's an affirmation to try. I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. When you say this, you're telling your subconscious mind to seek financial opportunities and to embrace an abundance mindset. This affirmation works by shifting your focus to growth, unlocking financial potential you didn't realize you had. Another powerful affirmation is, I am grateful for the abundance in my life. You might be thinking, what if I don't see results? That's where gratitude comes in. Gratitude is the secret sauce. By acknowledging what you already have, you're creating space for more blessings to flow into your life. Cultivating abundant relationships. Affirmations can also attract meaningful relationships. Try this one. I attract loving and supportive people into my life. This affirmation shifts your focus to positivity and open-heartedness, which naturally draws supportive connections. But what if you feel alone or lack these relationships right now? Remember, attracting positive relationships is a process. Building strong, fulfilling bonds takes time and intention. Embracing abundant health and well-being. Health is wealth, and affirmations can boost your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. A great one to use is, my body is strong, healthy, and vibrant. This affirmation reminds you to honor your body and its capabilities, encouraging you to embrace self-care. But what if you're facing health challenges? Affirmations can complement your medical treatments by fostering a positive mindset. When you focus on your well-being, you're empowering your body to heal, living in abundant joy and fulfillment. Lastly, let's talk about joy and fulfillment. A powerful affirmation for this is, I am filled with joy, gratitude, and fulfillment. This helps you shift your focus from negativity to positivity, allowing you to appreciate the good in your life. But what if you don't feel happy right now? Happiness is a choice. Affirmations can guide you toward cultivating a joyful mindset over time. Remember, affirmations are powerful tools to transform your life. Whether it's financial abundance, fulfilling relationships, vibrant health, or boundless joy, the possibilities are endless. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the magic unfold. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's walk this transformative journey together. See you in the next video.